Mastery. I am Sharika Swaby. Today we are wrapping up this week's topic of who we are with the knowing that creation is finished. So the problem with human beings is that somewhere in history, someone decided that the knowledge of who we are should be hidden from us. They kept that information for themselves. But in Revelation 22 verse 13, the Bible says, I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. It is unfortunate that the Bible has been used to enslave, oppress, and keep people in bondage throughout the years. But understand this. Every single success philosophy that is being taught today was taken from the Bible and expanded on in some way or form. Creation is finished. This means that nothing else can be created. Your life was created at the inception. The bullet train was created at the inception. Computers were created at the inception. But not only that, every single possible experience that you can have was created at inception. You are in charge. You get to decide where you go from here. There are an endless number of possibilities. There are an endless number of paths that your life can take. Creation is finished means that anything you can imagine, anything your mind can conceive already is. And this is why you are so powerful. All you have to do is use your imagination. Create what you want and focus on that thing. Here's how the mind works. If your mind gets nothing to focus on, it is distracted by every single thing that comes along. But if you can create that mental picture of what you want and focus on it daily, the universe will put all the stepping stones in place to ensure that your dream is realized. This is one of those cases where a one-track mind is a requirement. You don't have to be a wandering generality. Focus on what you want. If you can dream it, it's only because it is possible. If you are having that dream, it's only because it's one of the many paths that your life can take. When you learn that, you don't have to show up as the washed up version. You don't have to show up as the wishy-washy version. You don't have to show up as the good for nothing version. All those versions are possible. But guess what? You can show up as the master version. You can show up as the grand design, your ideal self. So why be anything else? Why not show up as the masterpiece that you were created to be? Just start dreaming. Steve Harvey says that imagination is everything, and he was not lying. Use your imagination. Kick the naysayers to the curb if you have to. They don't have to know what you're dreaming about. And they don't have to know what you want to create. The possibilities are endless. So why not explore them? Step out there. Be the master of your own fate. If this video resonated with you any at all, watch it several times. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Until next time, I am Sharika Swaby and this has been Life Mastery. Thank you for watching.